What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best micro SD cards in 2021. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. If you're looking to save money and at the same time get a solid product, we say check out the SanDisk Ultra, our choice for the best budget micro SD card you can find in the market in 2021. The SanDisk Ultra is a powerful memory card that offers 12 gigabytes of storage space. It guarantees a pretty fast data transfer with the maximum transfer speed of up to 100 megabytes per second. SanDisk cards are compatible with Android phones, tablets, and a variety of MIL cameras. You'll be able to move your content at a top-notch speed for the listed price. Specifically, we're talking about being able to move 1,200 photos in just 1 minute. With a 128 gigabyte card capacity, you can also store up to 24 hours of full HD videos without worrying about running out of memory. This includes high-definition videos, photos, music, movies, and other files you want to record, save, and share. Also, the card is optimized for a variety of applications, leading to a better experience when using the phone. In order to make file management as easy as possible, SanDisk Ultra comes with SanDisk Memory Zone application that is available on the Google Play Store. This app allows you to view, access, and support all files from your phone in one place. It can automatically move files from your phone to the memory card if free space is available. Additionally, the manufacturer has given great attention to the durability and the design, meaning that you can use the device even in a bit of extreme conditions. These memory cards are resistant to drops, higher and lower temperature, water, and X-rays. This is a great addition, as we all know how stressful it can be to lose your precious data. The product comes in gray, red, and white, and has the dimensions of 0.04 by 0.59 by 0.43 inches, as well as a weight of 0.16 ounces. In the budget domain, this fella is the king. The next product on our list of reviews is the Samsung PRO Endurance, to which we awarded the title of the best long-use micro SD card that you can find on the market in 2021. The PRO Endurance line of micro SD cards can bring 25 times better durability compared to PRO EVO cards that are speed-oriented. The PRO Endurance family also meets the requirements for reliable storage in the field of monitoring, surveillance, and dash cameras. Samsung PRO Endurance has a memory space of 128 gigabytes, as well as sequential read speeds of up to 100 megabytes per second and sequential write speeds of 30 megabytes per second. These micro SD cards are available in 3 sizes: 32 gigabytes, 64 gigabytes, and 128 gigabytes. All 3 variants have a different rating depending on durability. The 128 gigabyte model that we are focusing on right now enables video recording up to 43,800 hours, while the 64 gigabyte model can deliver up to 28,280 hours of video recording. Finally, the 32 gigabyte model offers up to 17,520 hours. PRO Endurance micro SD cards are both UHS-I Speed Class 1 and Class 10 compatible. Thanks to their durable design, they can survive in quite difficult outdoor conditions, ranging from -25 to 85 degrees Celsius, or -13 to 185 Fahrenheit. They can also boast water endurance, are IPX7 certified, and resistant to X-rays and magnetization. You no longer have to worry about long and continuous shots. The Samsung PRO Endurance helps you capture key moments and gives you unmatched endurance for continuously recording high-definition video even in demanding conditions. Thanks to its durability, it lasts up to 43,800 hours and is ideal for security cameras. In addition to detailing recording capabilities, PRO Endurance also makes it easy to work with large files thanks to its excellent read and write speeds. Take advantage of maximum durability for security cameras, car cameras, personal cameras, and similar demanding purposes. At critical moments, exceptional reliability is an absolute must when it comes to memory cards. The PRO Endurance will deliver the goods even during intensive use and continuous recording, and for that, we can't recommend it enough. The Samsung PRO Endurance comes in dimensions of 5.43 by 3.5 by 0.18 inches, as well as a weight of 0.48 ounces. The following product on our list of reviews is an ideal option for all those users who are looking for a micro SD card with as much capacity as possible. We can say without a shadow of a doubt that the best high-capacity micro SD card available on the market in 2021 is the SanDisk Extreme. SanDisk Extreme is the perfect companion for your camera, smartphone, or tablet. With a write speed of 90 megabytes per second and a read speed of 160 megabytes per second, this card is great for dynamic shooting, as well as shooting with a high burst rate. It's also good for full HD, as well as 4K videos. The read speed allows the transfer of 1,000 photos in full resolution and 30 minutes of 4K video in less than 3 minutes. Moreover, the SanDisk micro SD card is marketed A2, which refers to its high speed. It allows you to open applications quickly, much faster than the competition. The 128GB capacity provides enough space for hundreds of high-resolution photos, as well as for full HD and 4K video recording. It is resistant to water, pressure, and X-rays, and can withstand temperatures from -25 to 85 degrees Celsius, or -13 to 185 Fahrenheit. When it comes to speed, the device is rated as Class 10, and when it comes to UHS speed, it belongs to the U3 class. Both of these are pretty good ratings. The SanDisk Micro SD 128GB Extreme also comes with an SD adapter included in the package, which allows you to use it with devices that do not natively support SD cards. It should be noted that the results may vary depending on the application, the type of host device, and other factors. The SanDisk Extreme Micro SD card comes in the size of 0.04 by 0.59 by 0.43 inches, as well as a weight of 0.16 ounces. Let us now pick it up a notch and step into the 4K domain. If you are looking for a micro SD card with an emphasis on the best possible 4K video, the following product is the right choice for you. The title of the best 4K video micro SD card that you can find on the market in 2021 has been awarded to the PNY PRO Elite. The PNY PRO Elite micro SD card offers maximum performance for smartphones, tablets, action cameras, drones, DSLRs, video cameras, and more. With read speeds of up to 100 megabytes per second and write speeds of up to 90 megabytes per second, these cards provide the speed you need to capture beautiful, high-definition videos right out of the box for most of today's 4K Ultra HD devices. Living memories that look just as real as the day you caught them. Enjoy more mobile content like 4K videos, HD photos, music, apps, and more. Micro SD Pro Elite cards are 10 U3 class certified for speed, which means they provide fast transfer speeds so you can transfer content on the go quickly. Also, an SD adapter is included in order to achieve maximum compatibility with SD devices, such as video cameras, DSLR cameras, laptops, desktops, and many others. The PNY PRO Elite Micro SD card boasts great durability and reliability. It is resistant to water, shocks, magnets, as well as to very low and high temperatures. The PNY PRO Elite comes in black and gray and in the following dimensions of 0.04 by 0.59 by 0.43 inches, as well as weight of 0.01 ounces. The main specifications are the 128GB memory capacity, the micro SDXC flash card type, the UHS type internal memory, and the third-class UHS speed, which means that users will be able to enjoy a transfer rate of 30 megabytes per second. The A2 label indicates the possibility of better performance and faster application launches. Also, it's important to note that the PNY PRO Elite, in addition to the supported 4K Ultra HD resolution, is also compatible with devices that only support full HD and HD resolutions. And now, let's check out our gold medalist for today. After all the reviews, opinions, and experiences from users of all levels, we decided to award the title of the best overall micro SD card available on the market in 2021 to Samsung EVO Select. To get this flattering title, we've searched the market for a product that delivers premium performance and high durability at the best possible price-quality ratio. Get more from your mobile devices with maximum capacity and fast read and write speeds. With incredible performance and reliability, EVO Select allows you to capture, store, and share all your digital memories. Thanks to fast read and write speeds of up to 100 megabytes per second and 60 megabytes per second, respectively, The 128GB EVO Select allows you to transfer 3GB of video to your laptop in just 38 seconds. Therefore, users will be able to take high-quality photos and videos and share them in an instant. Also, with the large amounts of storage space, the 128GB EVO Select has enough memory for up to 6 hours of 4K UHD video, 16 hours and 30 minutes of full HD video, 20,000 photos, or 10,000 songs. That's a lot of storage space. The Samsung EVO Select also boasts extended compatibility, making it compatible with a wide range of devices for both SD and microSD. You can even record detailed 4K UHD videos. The included SD adapter fits most devices of almost all brands while maintaining the outstanding speed and performance of the EVO Select. Also, it provides great performance on Android smartphones, tablets, action cameras such as the GoPro 4.5, DSLRs, DJI drones. It is ideal for 4K content, 3D video, and high-resolution image capture. When it comes to the design, we can say that great attention was paid to durability. The device is resistant to water, X-rays, magnets, as well as extremely high and low temperatures. The Samsung EVO Select can be immersed in salt water for up to 20 hours, withstand temperatures of -25 to 85 degrees Celsius, and is not affected by X-rays that we use in machines in the areas of airport security controls. It is compatible with all micro SD devices and a wide range of full-size SD applications. Be sure to effortlessly record, store, and transfer videos, photos, music, and other large files. With large amounts of storage space, you can enjoy everything that life has to offer. You wanted the best, you got it. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.